ready for dispatch. Race number 4. Ace Blackback Rope and Racing Dancing Giselle looking for the lead. Antares running by the wheel, moving up Da Vinci. Around the outside now, Lucky Fine Weatherland, Gold Cougat, Fierce Spider. While Royal Biba is running in the tail of the field, going along for the first turn. Dancing Giselle in front by line, followed by Da Vinci in second. And 2 lengths back now, Weatherland, and alongside Lucky Fine, moving up Fierce Spider. Into the back they travel. It is still Dancing Giselle leads by line. Da Vinci try to get closer in second. Running in third now is Weatherland. Down in fourth by some for Fierce Spider, Lucky Fine, Royal Biba, Antares, while Gold Cougat is running in the tail of the field, nearing the last 600. It's still Dancing Giselle, followed by Da Vinci, Weatherland coming closer in third, Fierce Spider. Inside the last 600, it's still Dancing Giselle, leads by leg, moving up Weatherland, Da Vinci on the outside, Fierce Spider coming into the picture now as they swing for home with Dancing Giselle now in full flight, leads by some 2, followed by Weatherland on the outside, but still Dancing Giselle leads by some 2.5, followed by Weatherland, and finally Dancing Giselle. Weatherland, Da Vinci, Fierce Spider, Lucky Fine, Antares, Royal Biba, and Gold Cougat.
Panginoon Limadio.